Hello, beautiful listeners, and welcome back to Green Earth Essentials. I'm your host, Michelle Jackson, and today we're delving into a fascinating and truly versatile plant, bamboo, often referred to as nature's wonder. Bamboo is not only an incredible example of sustainable living, but also a plant that touches nearly every aspect of our lives in ways you may not even realize. From how it's grown to its many uses, think food, clothing, construction, and even tech materials. This episode will give you a full picture of why bamboo deserves the spotlight. We'll also talk about its role in sustainability and the environment, and how small steps like supporting bamboo products can make a huge difference. So get comfortable and let's dive into the world of bamboo. Let's start with what bamboo actually is. Bamboo isn't a tree, it's a grass. That's right, a member of the grass family, despite its towering height and woody stalks. What's remarkable about bamboo is how fast it grows. Did you know that certain species can grow over 3 feet in a single day? It's the fastest growing plant on Earth. There are over 1,500 species of bamboo, and they vary in size from tiny ground cover varieties to the massive timber bamboo, which can reach over 100 feet tall. Bamboo is native to Asia, but can be found on nearly every continent, thriving in diverse environments. And here's something fun. Bamboo has a long history of symbolism in many cultures. In Chinese culture, for instance, bamboo represents resilience, flexibility, and integrity. It's seen as a symbol of strength in the face of adversity, able to bend without breaking. This is why bamboo is often used in Chinese art and poetry to represent the ideal balance between strength and adaptability. In other cultures, bamboo also carries meanings of good fortune, longevity, and peace, often appearing in traditional ceremonies and rituals. But bamboo isn't just fascinating to look at or symbolic in different traditions. Its applications, benefits, and ecological impact truly make it a superstar of the plant world. From its incredible growth rate to its role in environmental sustainability, bamboo is a plant that delivers on both function and form. Whether it's used for food, building materials, or clothing, bamboo's versatility continues to surprise and inspire. Its true value goes far beyond just its visual appeal or cultural significance. It's a plant that offers tangible benefits for people, animals, and the planet alike. Now let's talk about where bamboo grows and how it thrives. Bamboo loves tropical and subtropical regions, but certain species also flourish in temperate climates. Countries like China, India, and Indonesia are known for their extensive bamboo forests, but you'll also find bamboo in Africa, the Americas, and even parts of Europe. Bamboo thrives in well-drained soil and requires minimal water compared to other crops, making it an excellent choice for sustainable farming. And here's another interesting fact. Bamboo regenerates itself. Once harvested, it grows back from the root system without needing to be replanted. This makes it a renewable resource, unlike trees that take decades to grow back. Sustainable bamboo farming practices focus on preserving biodiversity and preventing soil erosion, ensuring that bamboo forests remain healthy and productive for generations to come. Bamboo farmers are now innovating ways to balance high-yield production with conservation efforts. Did you know bamboo is not just a material, it's also food? Bamboo shoots, the young, tender shoots of the plant, are a staple in many Asian cuisines. They're not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Bamboo shoots are low in calories and fat, but high in fiber, making them great for digestion. They're also a good source of vitamins like B6 and E, and minerals such as potassium and manganese. Studies even suggest bamboo shoots may have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Another notable nutrient found in bamboo is silica. Silica plays a crucial role in our diets because it supports the health of our skin, hair, nails, and bones. It helps the body produce collagen, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and joint health. Additionally, Silica contributes to strong and healthy bones by aiding in calcium absorption. And it's not just humans who enjoy bamboo. For pandas, bamboo is life, literally. It makes up about 99% of their diet. But pandas aren't alone. Bamboo is also fed to livestock in some regions due to its high nutritional value. Its ability to provide sustenance across species highlights its importance in both natural and agricultural ecosystems. Let's shift gears and talk about the countless uses of bamboo. Traditionally, bamboo has been used for centuries in construction, from building homes to crafting furniture and tools. Its strength rivals that of steel in tensile strength, which is why it's still used in modern construction today. Bamboo is also revolutionizing industries like clothing and textiles. Bamboo fibers can be turned into soft, breathable fabrics that are perfect for clothing, bed linens, and towels. Did you know bamboo fabric is naturally antimicrobial and moisture wicking, perfect for activewear? In daily life, bamboo is used for utensils, cutting boards, straws, and even paper products. Its artistic and cultural significance shines in traditional crafts, musical instruments, and even artwork. More recently, bamboo has found its way into high-tech applications such as composites for car interiors, renewable packaging materials, and even biodegradable phone cases. The future of bamboo innovation is limitless, and researchers are constantly finding new ways to utilize its properties. Did you know bamboo is also making waves in the beauty and spa industry? This versatile plant isn't just for construction, clothing, or food. It's also gaining popularity as a key ingredient in skincare and wellness products. Bamboo is rich in natural silica, a compound that's essential for healthy skin, hair, and nails. Silica helps boost collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. That's why many skincare brands are incorporating bamboo extracts into their products, such as serums, creams, and face masks. In addition to its skincare benefits, bamboo has natural antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. This makes bamboo-based products inherently more hygienic as they resist bacteria buildup, unlike other materials. For example, bamboo washcloths, brushes, and reusable cotton rounds stay fresher longer, making them a perfect fit for your skincare routine. Bamboo's antimicrobial properties also extend to spa treatments. Bamboo massage therapy, which uses warm bamboo sticks of varying sizes, not only provides relief from muscle tension, but also maintains a cleaner, safer experience compared to traditional tools that may harbor bacteria. Bamboo water derived from the plant is another star ingredient in the beauty world. It's hydrating, soothing, and packed with antioxidants, making it a popular choice for toners, mists, and moisturizing products. Bamboo's natural anti-inflammatory qualities also make it perfect for sensitive or acne-prone skin. Choosing bamboo in your beauty and wellness routine isn't just about self-care. It's also a step towards sustainability. Bamboo products are biodegradable, eco-friendly, and a great alternative to synthetic or plastic options. By embracing bamboo, you're not only nurturing yourself, but also supporting a cleaner, greener planet. Whether it's in your skincare, spa visits, or beauty tools, bamboo proves yet again that it's the ultimate multitasker, beautiful, beneficial, and sustainable. Bamboo doesn't just help humans, it supports entire ecosystems. Bamboo forests are home to a diverse range of wildlife, from the iconic giant panda to birds, insects, and even small mammals. These forests provide food, shelter, and breeding grounds for many species. In areas prone to deforestation, preserving bamboo forests can be a game changer for biodiversity. They act as vital corridors that allow animals to migrate safely and thrive. By protecting bamboo habitats, we're also protecting the broader ecosystems they support. It's another reason bamboo deserves our attention and care. Now let's look at bamboo's economic impact. The global bamboo industry is valued in the billions, and its growth is only accelerating. For rural communities, especially in countries like India and China, bamboo farming provides a sustainable livelihood. Bamboo also plays a key role in international trade, from exporting raw materials for construction to finished products like furniture and clothing. The rise of bamboo-based eco-products has created new markets and opportunities for innovation. Investing in bamboo industries doesn't just promote sustainability, it helps create jobs, boost economies, and foster green entrepreneurship. Supporting bamboo-related businesses is a simple yet impactful way to contribute to these initiatives. What makes bamboo a true hero is its environmental impact. Bamboo is a champion of sustainability for several reasons. First, it's a carbon sequestration powerhouse, absorbing up to 5 times more carbon dioxide than similar plants and releasing 35% more oxygen. Second, bamboo is excellent for preventing soil erosion and improving soil health. Its roots form a dense network that holds soil in place even on steep slopes. Compared to water-intensive crops, bamboo requires very little water to grow. Its efficiency and ability to regenerate without replanting make it an eco-friendly alternative to materials like wood, plastic, and cotton. By choosing bamboo products, we can reduce deforestation, lower our carbon footprint, and support sustainable industries. So how can you bring bamboo into your life? Start small. Try bamboo utensils, switch to bamboo-based paper products, or invest in bamboo clothing. Every little choice adds up. Supporting companies that prioritize sustainable bamboo farming is another impactful step. By doing so, you're not just investing in eco-friendly products, you're investing in a healthier planet. Thank you for exploring the world of bamboo with me today. It's amazing how this humble grass can play such a significant role in our lives and the environment. Remember, small changes can lead to big impacts. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider sharing it with a friend or leaving a review. And don't forget to support us on Patreon at patreon.com/ green earth essentials. Until next time, take care and keep making choices that honor our beautiful earth. This is Michelle Jackson signing off.